Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use UMAX application for free by inviting friends. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your UMAX application. After you open the application and take a selfie, you will see this page. On this page, click on the coach icon at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now you will see this menu appearing. On this menu, click on copy my referral code. Now a link will be copied to your clipboard. Now simply navigate to your friends chat and send them this referral code and ask them to sign up on UMAX using this referral code. And after that, you can simply use UMAX application for free by inviting your friend and get a free scan without any pay. So that's how you can use UMAX application for free by inviting friends. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.